Recently, there have been a lot of questions from our consumers and our commercial customers with respect to the greenness of our product. They want to know, is it energy efficient? What materials went into making the product? Is it recyclable, and so forth. Our latest advancement in green design is the ThinkPad T420. It is the first laptop that's been certified through UL Environment's Gold program.
Well, UL is a very well-recognized company globally. On average, you have about 120 products in your home that carry the UL in a circle that represent that the products have met a fire and electrical safety standard. We saw a need to extend that mission to protect the environment, and not just the environment itself, but also the environment people live and work in.
UL Environment is one of the things we do. We look at it from a life cycle approach. You have to pick the right materials from the start. For example, we use post-consumer content, which is recycled water bottles. We have to design energy efficiency practices and power management attributes into the system so they're efficient during the use of the product. And then we have to be sure that the product is able to be recycled.
So the product is actually evaluated to a standard that looks at the whole life cycle impact of the product itself. So it will look at the materials that are used and being sourced in the development of the product. It would look at the performance of the product, so things like the energy efficiency requirements that it needs to be meeting, such as Energy Star or others globally. And there's also things like disassembly. So how do we recycle these products so they don't go into the waste stream and then just get put into a landfill? We independently, from a third-party perspective, verify that these criteria are met. So if it's needing to be tested for energy efficiency, we'll actually take that product, put it in our own labs, and make sure that the results that we're seeing are the same ones that the manufacturer believes are true. We actually take the product and make sure that even things as simple as taking the monitor off of the laptop is easy to do for a consumer so that it's easy to recycle.
ThinkPad has always been known as the gold standard for business performance. Now it's recognized as the gold standard in green design.